Hello all. In this video, we are going to see the continuation of sources of agricultural credit. Here we are going to see what is the difference between cooperative bank and commercial bank. Yes, of course, we all know that cooperative bank and commercial bank both functions are varies. So here we are going to see the difference. First of all, what does mean by cooperative bank? Which means cooperative bank focuses on serving specific community or specific member groups or and promoting financial institutions at certain levels. Whereas commercial bank in case it totally through the government bodies and profit businesses and individual person it focuses. So what are the structural difference between cooperative bank and commercial bank, which means cooperative bank is totally owned and managed by members who have voting rights, and these institutions can control principles of one members, and they operate local, state and national level community developments also. Whereas commercial bank in case it is owned by the private shareholders or government entities, so they operate under strictly regulation framework to maximize shareholder values and etc. What are the regulatory frameworks and what are the benefits? Which means cooperative bank and commercial banks both are running under certain regulatory frameworks. Without any regulations and rules, no banks can plays a major role. So functions of cooperative bank, which means it regulates both Reserve Bank of India and respective state government under the Cooperative Society Act, and leading to dual control and sometimes complex oversights also. Whereas in commercial bank, what are the regulatory framework they are using? Which means fully regulated by the RBI, which means Reserve Bank of India under Banking Regulation Act, and also it ensures uniform compliances standard across over operation nations also. These are the regulatory framework of cooperative bank and commercial bank. The next thing is objective and focus area. Objective of cooperative bank, which means primary serve rural and semi-urban population. Primary role is to rural and semi-urban populations. Next objective is support agriculture. Yes, of course, cooperative banks are supportive to agriculture and small businesses and local industries. So small businesses, local industries, agricultural are supported by the cooperative banks. The next thing is it also encourages financial inclusions among underbanking communities. It also encourages financial inclusions. Whereas, what are the objectives and focus area of commercial banks? Which means it offers a service including retail and cooperative banking and investment banking, and it majorly focuses on profitability, efficiency and expanding market shares. Also, commercial banks provide technologically advanced banking solution. So these are the benefits where commercial banks are providing and focusing areas. Last but not the least, service offered by commercial and cooperative banks, which means cooperative banks serves certain it offers certain services, and whereas commercial banks also it's provided various services. What are the differences? Which mean in corporate bank it offers deposit and saving account. Next thing is agricultural role and credit facilities they are providing. Next thing, what cooperative bank providing, which means microfinance and small enterprise funding. It is also offered by cooperative banks. The next thing is commercial banks. Commercial banks, which means retail banking product including credit or debit card, loans, insurance, etc. And corporate banking and treasury services also they are offering, and digital banking and investment services. So these are the services where commercial banks are providing. So in this video, we saw about what are the difference between cooperative bank and commercial bank, and what are the regulatory frameworks both are using, and what is the focus area and different objectives of both, and what both banks are offering. Thank you.